Stretching nearly 3 miles, the boardwalk in Ocean City is considered one of the best boardwalks in America. Ideal for bike rides, a relaxing tram ride, or other attractions such as arcades, shopping, and sweet treats. And since we have successfully strolled the boardwalk, let's get 2 of the best snacks here in Ocean City. If you haven't watched our previous videos, you can click the link here or click the link at the description below. And before we start, make sure that you click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get updated on our latest videos. When one of our friends found out that we're in Ocean City, she recommended us to try one of the famous popcorns here in the boardwalk, Dollys. This family-owned business has been serving Ocean City since 1910. The founder, Rudolph Dolle Sr., purchased a small saltwater taffy stand located on the same property as his carousel, and Dolly's Candyland was born. And we come here for what they are famous for, popcorn. Take a look at these glass caps filled with popcorn, oozing with a sweet, buttery aroma. We could also see where the magic happens. You can order in boxes or in tubs.
How are you guys today?
Great.
It's nice weather out, right?
Yes. great day.
Now let's bring this back to our hotel.
Yeah, we'll go home.
But Primo wants to hang out first on the beach.
You want to go to the beach? Let's go to the beach. Let's go. Okay, let's build a castle. Come here. Let's build a castle. It's raining.
Hold on.
Hold on. What dinosaur is that?
It's that dinosaur egg. Dinosaur egg.
And another food that you must not miss here in Ocean City is Thrasher's French fries. They've been serving Idaho russet Burbank potato French fries since 1929. Some people would only come to Ocean City just to get a bucket of these fries. That explains why the other branch is a long queue. It's worth the wait, because you're getting the fresh, crispy French fries all the time. Thank you. My friends say it's better with cider vinegar, but I'll just season it with salt for now. Do you like fries? It's crispy and delicious. Before we leave, we took another stroll at the boardwalk. purchase more buckets of popcorn to take home.
Were you here yesterday? Were you here yesterday?
Yeah. We're no, because we posted it on social media. Then one of my friends requested for a takeout.
Yeah? Well,
They requested for a takeout.
alright.
Yeah.
Okay, very cool. I
Yeah.
love it. Thank you.
But no need for making you viral because you're already famous.
That's right.
Yeah.
Not me personally. Not me.
You're so humble. Have a great day. Bye.
We stopped near the inlet beach and enjoyed our sweet buttery popcorn. You can see the ocean pier from here. It is one of the most relaxing places to walk around and just sit and feel the momentum. But Primo wants to play in the sand.
Let's go. Let's go home.
Volcano, what's this?
This is volcano. Let's go.
Another day has ended, but Ocean City, Maryland will constantly sending beach waves, vibrant ambience, and memorable experience. Guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get updated on our latest videos. I'll see you on our next video. Thanks for watching.